Hello everyone, I am Jamel M. Pilayo, a student of Caraga State University, taking up a Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering. And here I'm graduating student and a member of the University Student Government. I am one of the executive. I am the executive treasurer here in Caraga State University. So, a little background, nakita na mo ang Bendo machine sa ASCAT, and as a member of the graduating class officer last year, we come up nga ang among i-project that year is a Bendo machine. Two Bendo machine at the same time, water machine. Then to come up na purchase na lang of vending machine as a project of the graduating class of 2023. At the same time, i-turned over namin sa University Student Government Entrepreneurship Committee. Actually, here I am sa SU, ginaano yun namo nga ang studentry, ang University Student Government is maka-generate generate of funds para ang ma-generate nga funds is mong gamiton for mga expenses para sa among mga activity, like we have Intrada, which is magagamit namo when it comes na may pamaliton nga gamit, especially na yung mga events here and sa among school. Actually, part of my future plans actually is magtukod yun og mga vending machines around the Butuan City. Kaya it is because ang vending machine is just that naadyo siya makita nga income. At the same time, dili ka malugi. It is because set up na ang tanan vending machine. So I think one of my future plans pohon pag-graduate og na ako enough funds to supply, I will purchase vending machines. Actually, wala man, we are just happy lang po nga na-cater ang goal nga maka-provide jud o makakuha og vending machines para sa graduating class of 2023. Nga naadyo makita nga ang giamutan sa tanan graduating student last year is naadyo napadulngan. We recommend Bend Express for all the following viewers. Kay actually ang vending machines is makahatag jud og support of funds. At the same time, ang Bend Express is accessible lang jud siya, dali lang jud sila ma-chat sa Facebook. At the same time, ang vending machines kay mag-help po sa ato para ang kita tanan is may business minded bitaw at the same time.